So as you saw, there has been a couple updates to the software here. One of the nice upgrades also is the search function. And here you can actually query byte date range. So for example, I'm just going to enable a couple of logs here, and I'm going to go ahead and search. So this makes it super easy to actually see what happened on what day at what time, what was the skin temperature, the body temperature, the alarm, if there's anything set, and the status of fail or pass, again depending on what the alarm temp was set at, and the corresponding body and skin temperature readings. You can also go ahead and export this now, and I'm going to go ahead and just export it. And this will actually give you a CSV file of your data. So now if we go ahead and just expand this a little bit here, zoom in so you can see, you'll get the same exact measurements. However, now you can distribute this data. Again, you can change the ranges to exactly what you need here. And I'm going to go ahead and not save it. So again, new feature here, very useful to export and see what's going on in a day. If you have any questions, please let us know.